Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to redeem Amazon gift card on Swagbucks. So if you also want to know how to redeem Amazon gift card on Swagbucks, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in swagbucks.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Swagbucks. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you look at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon over there. Hover your mouse in your profile icon and you can see the drop down menu. You can see an option for redeem your SB. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several gift cards over here. Scroll down to see more options. If you want to redeem Amazon gift card, you can find Amazon gift cards over here. All you have to do is click on it. You can also search for the Amazon gift card. You can see the search bar over here. All you have to do is click on it. Or you can also click on this search bar. Now type in Amazon. Press enter. Now you can see over here it will filter out Amazon gift cards for you. You can also filter the gift card by value. You can see the options over here. Now click on the gift card that you want to redeem. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see more details about the gift cards over here. You can see several amounts. You can choose the gift card of your choice. Here you'll be able to see the option for redeem. All you have to do is click on it. If you do not have enough balance, this option will not be enabled for you. After you click on this option, you'll be led to another kind of interface where you'll have to confirm your information. If your information is correct, click on the confirm option. If your information is not correct, you can edit it and then click on the confirm option. And then you'll be led to another kind of interface. There you'll have to enter a security question and you'll also have to enter your email. And simply click on the send option. And then your gift card will be verified. You will receive an email in about 5 business days where you can find instructions on how to claim your e-gift card code. So that is how you redeem Amazon gift card on Swagbucks. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.